Hi guys,
Hi.
Assalamualaikum. Thank you for coming for today's discussion. As you guys are aware of, we are going to have a nature week next month probably, and we are going to discuss on the activities you are going to have throughout the week. And any suggestion from guys?
Okay. I suggest to have organize an activity of tree planting activities. Uh, as you know that nature of tree is a major component of Earth. So and then this activity can every people can join that. So we can do it at university. So can encourage it can encourage the students to can encourage the student
Actually, spend
More time with nature,
Yeah.
right?
because student with in busy life
Yeah.
Yes.
we can release our stress
Yes,
from
they need
this
more time with
activity.
nature actually.
Wait a minute, may I interrupt? What kind of benefits that we can if we plant tree? So what kind of benefits that we can gain from it to our university or our life?
So the student will suffer himself.
Environment with trees can release our stress.
Yes.
They produce oxygen, right?
Yes.
So
Very calming.
within our Earth is nearest to global warming, right?
Yes. Right.
So they can participate, student can participate in this activity. They don't need to consume environment.
It's not cost.
Okay.
What type of
Simple trees like either flowering trees. Can be hibiscus.
Yeah.
Sunflower,
Yeah.
but trees.
You can harmonize the environment.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Try the environment. Okay, I have a suggestion. Why not we organize a trip to national park?
Where?
Pahang National Park. The nearest national park is Kuala Lumpur, of course. Yes.
Yes,
we are the
Macam okay.
yeah. Actually, the trip can actually, student can develop, can actually be more near to the nature. Because they can experience the nature using their five senses. Yeah. And yeah, everyone can participate. Of course, a trip, everyone will be so eager to excited of course. And yeah, I think of maybe we should make a group and plan a trip there. And yeah, there's so many things we can observe. We can actually learn something from that.
Good. What kind of activity they can do there during the trip?
Despite just observe, can actually
Scientific name.
learn the scientific name and also take a picture.
Yeah, selfie.
Yeah, selfie.
What? Can we go to what? That's Freeman Kapong.
Kepong.
Because one of my lecturers said that they have what? Not skywalk. What walk?
Yeah,
Okay,
can
then walk.
Yeah, of course. You can also
You can change the venue, right?
Yes, of course.
Can we will not go to picture, right?
Yes. We can count that too.
Okay.
I think that's my suggestion.
I like your opinion, but I have my own suggestion.
Okay.
Maybe we can organize a camping to a forest reservoir.
Camping.
Yes.
How many nights do you want?
Yeah, we usually we have 3 days, 2 nights, right? As we know that forest reservoir, we keep the tree
lots of trees.
So there's no disrupt. Yes. So there is no deforestation for the tree. We keep the nature in the forest. So when we do the camping in the forest reservoir, we can see many nature at the forest because the nature at the forest reservoir is not touched by any people, right? They keep
Preserve it. So
yes, preserve it.
they can know right.
They can know all the nature that we didn't know yet.
Okay. I just want to ask you, if we organize a camping trip there,
Yes.
don't you think that we are actually dis- disturb them?
Or disturb
The
the
nature.
nature.
Because
I think they will have a place that
yeah,
They
Already.
they already do the camping, right?
they
Yes,
have a
for-
specific place
Ah,
for the
for
camping.
yes.
Maybe there is several instructor that
Will guide us.
guide us for the camping. They will teach let we know the knowledge of the forest. Like international part tu like we know the specific name
Yeah,
of
the
the tree.
I think that we can do a night walk during camping trip.
Yeah, that will
We need to do it.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yes,
So all of your suggestion is good and brilliant. I also have
interesting.
yes.
So what
Yes,
about
we
you?
in my opinion, I think we can have recycling day.
Specific day for recycling.
Yes. Maybe like for that the nature week we can for 2 days we can have the recycling day. I think there's a lot of things that we can recycle since we are students. We have a lot of papers, we have a lot of boxes, we have a lot of tins, cans. But wait a minute. Tins and cans can be recycled or not?
Yes, yeah. When they classified for
Plus for recycling.
Yes.
I think what about this? Okay. You see the student that we can say to the student that we want to organize this, so the students can collect many things that they want to recycle and give it to us, and then we can pay them. So they can get money because I think many students here need money. Yes, we need money to in this university.
And for that recycling day, I think each student should participate.
Yes.
For activities that you mentioned just now, maybe some of them are interested and some of them are not interested. For recycling day, everyone should participate.
Yes, because it has to benefit.
Yeah.
Okay, by recycling we can save our money, save our budget.
Of course.
Do you have any suggestion like what we can I think what we can give during what we can
Provide.
students can give to us. So that macam
Okay, just explain in simple words.
how I want to say, right? Do we need to accept all the things that they give to us, or we have to?
Okay, so maybe we have to look also at the things that they bring us. And so maybe we should then class them into specific.
Okay, example macam, you want to be planting kan? Right. So I think many students will give some bottles or cans so we can plant the tree in that thing. So we can save budget. Right. Like flowers or trees, but not with trees lah.
Yes, so there's an overwhelming of ideas. And now we are good. What are the best activities we are going to think?
I think MP3 is awesome, right? Because they have night walk. Just
Yes,
I think
it
I
can,
should
it can
vote
release
for
happy.
yes, I vote it.
It can release our stress.
Yes.
Yes. So much really awesome.
Right?
True. But of course they have to pay, but they will
It will cost some money, but
Ah.
actually, in the end,
get
they will
fun.
Yeah, more experience than
We kind of tie our bonds.
yes, yes,
Very true. I'll vote for Kevin and
19 or what? 19 or what?
Ah,
One more?
okay. So another activity.
I think recycling is more better than
I think because you want the money, right?
Yes, I want to save money right now. But it's related to nature too.
Right.
Yeah.
Because usually now, I actually know now, students did not apply the recycling.
Mm. Yeah, use it and throw, use and throw like that.
Yes, right there. So I think
Yeah.
when come to condition that we want to organize
Yeah, we are going to organize the campaign
the campaign
Recycling.
for forest reserve
and the recycling.
Okay.
Okay. That's
so
all.
that's all for our discussion today.
Thank you for coming and giving us
Okay,
My
thank you.
pleasure. Of course.
so interesting.
Yes, right.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum.
So,